Hello everybody, my name is Nick and you're watching for the Leet unboxing video for the Godox LC50. First thing that's really important out of the box, you see this carrying case, and that is very useful. You do have here a power charger. Then here we have the remote control. Now think about the power charger. This power charger is used to charge the lithium battery, which connection is here. The battery has 2600 milliamp hours, and when it comes to the remote control, it does uses 16 different channels, and you do have multiple groups. Now here we have the actual light source. Now this light source weighs 760 grams, and it does come with these barn doors. Now you might have noticed that there are LEDs here and here. The reason why is because these are 560 and these are 330. These are 5600 and these are 3300 kelvins. The difference between the color temperature is it's very important that they separated color temperature, one on one side and the other on the other side. The reason why is because with others you do have LEDs that can light up in both colors, and then if you want to use maximum power you need to turn on both 5600 and 3300 LEDs in order to get maximum power out of it. Now with this, because they've separated it, you can turn on LEDs for instance in the 5600 range onto the 100% and have the maximum power output or light output just with this light. That is very, very useful. Now you do here have a thread for mounting it on the for instance tripod or something like that. That is very important. The power door is removed a bit. It's not really too easy, but it's not really that hard. As you can see, you would just take it out completely and then you would turn it on the other side. You do have a small grooves both on the barn doors and on the this, so you do need to orient to make sure that our orientation of this device is proper. And let's see, yeah, it just slid back in. It's a bit fidgety, but nothing too important. Now as you can see here we have the 258 LEDs and 258 LEDs on the other side. When we want to turn it on, we just hold this button here. Now as you can see here, now it looks quite a bit more uniformed, and when I turn it on to 100%, it looks pretty much as if it is one light source. As you can see, you can set it pretty wide, but also you can set it quite a bit more narrow, narrow, so that it's a bit more defined. In order to change between the colors, you just press the mode button. In order to change between channels and groups, this button plus minus to change the channel and to change the power output. Now I will turn it back off. Oh, actually, there's something I want to show you. Here we have how much power output we are having. As you can see, now it's at 100. Here we have the how much kelvins which we are using basically. Here we have a channels, and here we have a group, and also on the top left corner we have how much power we have left. Now what is this? Who is this for? If we are using it for video, then if we can hide it inside the frame, great. If we are using it for video, then for the very if we go very close to the subject, then it's great because we can define it quite easily. Then it's very useful. As a primary light source, most definitely not. As you notice, it's not really that powerful enough to be primary light source for very wide angle shots. For photos, if we can again hide it inside the frame, great. If not, then if we can hide it right outside of the frame and keep it quite close, again, very useful. Now this is not going to replace flashes and flash heads and things like that, but it's going to be, it has its uses. You're watching Photolit. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Until the next time, goodbye.